Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, this is another verse from the Quranic Reflection series, and it is from Surah Al-Baqara, the second chapter of the Quran. وَاشْكُرُوا لِلَّهِ إِن كُنتُمْ إِيَّاهُ تَعْبُدُونَ. Give thanks to Allah if it is truly Him that you worship. This is verse 172. This verse addresses the need to be grateful to Allah if we are sincere in our worship. So the first point of reflection is being grateful to Allah for all the blessings in our lives. This is the natural consequence of sincere worship. Worship which is only lip service will not produce an attitude of gratitude. Ingratitude to Allah is a clear sign of disbelief. And Allah Himself calls ingratitude disbelief. لَإِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ وَلَإِن كَفَرْتُمْ إِنَّ عَذَابِي لَشَدِيدٌ. If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor. But if you are ungrateful, Allah uses وَلَإِن كَفَرْتُمْ. If you disbelieve or deny Allah's favors, indeed my punishment is severe. This is from Surah Ibrahim, verse 7. So, Allah has given us a warning here that there is punishment if we are ungrateful. So we have to be very careful to not be grateful for what Allah has given us in our lives and only be complaining and only being dissatisfied and only being desirous of other than what we already have or more on top of what we already have. The second point of reflection is gratitude creates a positive personality. A personality able to navigate the ups and downs of life. That's what's the reality of life. There are ups and downs. If we don't have a positive attitude, a positive personality, then whenever any difficulty comes, it breaks us down. We're not able to ride the waves. We're swallowed up in the waves constantly. The third point of reflection is that ingratitude leads to dissatisfaction, jealousy, doubt, and depression. That is why those who come to me depressed, dissatisfied, doubtful, I tell them, have you done sujood as-shukr recently? Mostly people say, what's sujood as-shukr? It is the prostration for gratitude, for giving thanks to Allah whenever anything good comes to you. So if you're not doing that, which was the sunnah muakkada of the Prophet ﷺ, he did it regularly. If we're not doing that, then it means we are not grateful to Allah. It's not in our DNA. We have not made it a part of our lives. And that's what we need to get back to. So, reintroduce the prostration for gratitude. Whenever, no matter how small, a good thing comes to us in our lives, give thanks to Allah. Barakallahu feekum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. La ilaha